Hi everyone, my name is Yashni, daughter of Sandraja. Title of my project is 5G Technology of Huawei. For introduction, Huawei was founded in 1987 and originated in Steinheim, Hesse, called telecommunications company. The creativity of Huawei allows it to open up the network and telecommunication equipment market. Huawei Carrier Network business segments is involved in the production and manufacture of a wide range of wireless network, phase network, and core network. FG's new connectivity criteria raise challenges in terms of technology and business models for existing network. The manufacturing and maintenance costs for FG network, the importance of the network will decrease and will rise in the eyes of network users. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Divek Sinitambi. Today I would like to explain type of technology in Huawei 5G technology. New technology. Huawei is the world's first company to launch the industry's first 5G commercial chip with the 3GPP release 15 component belong 5G01 and 5G commercial CPE. 5G is encryption engineered into its very base, the next generation of telecommunication technology. Emerging technology. It doesn't mean that it's going to thrive in the market only because an emerging technology is matured. This is also true for 5G. To succeed in the market, 5G need to be integrated into vertical industry application, play an active role in driving industry digitalization. 5G as encryption engineered into its very base, the next generation of telecommunication technology. Green technology. Cooperation between stakeholders with shared interests such as industry association should be driven by 5G AA, 5G ACIA, AIA 5G. Telecommunication and other sectors should be provided with a friendly regulatory climate to encourage new enterprise followed by government measures. Enabling technology. Huawei introducing a breakthrough air interface technology that enhances spectacle efficiency and provide large link, high reliability and low latency for mobile communication. Waveform, multiple access channel coding, frame structure, duplex mode and other essential technologies are included in the 5G innovative.
Hi everyone, my name is Tipyashni Vijayan, number metric B0620101157. Today I am going to explain about technology contribution to wealth creation of Huawei 5G technology. Huawei 5G is the start of another round of innovation and growth similar to what we saw with the arrival of internet. For this to happen, Huawei 5G must accompanied by complementary investments. 5G technology is included in telecom hardware such as Ericsson, Nokia and Samsung. There are main companies that are fighting to emerging in 5G technology, but Huawei has already scored more than 50 commercial 5G globally. Huawei 5G make chips and software that are essential components for telecom hardware. Huawei 5G has made a growing demand. Huawei 5G refers to next generation mobile network that promise super fast data speed and ability to support technologies like driverless car. The most efficient networking plan, the best performing networks, and excellent users experience key to fast rollout and commercial success of 5G make it standard, high and quality. To differentiate experience and accelerate commercial success, Huawei applies intelligent technology to plan and optimize network performance, provide efficient O&M, and support flexible and fast 5G service provisioning. Huawei will work closely with customers and partners to focus on 5G innovation applications, prosper the 5G ecosystem, and accelerate 5G commercial success.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Al Najmi bin Muhammad Nazir, is Technology Management Activities. Acquisition. Huawei has become the world's largest telecom equipment company, where in the previous year they managed to get income more than 107 billion US dollar in revenue from operations in 170 countries across the world due to the support that they have received from the Chinese government in less than 10 years. In 2018, Huawei had increased its annual spending on R&D between 15 to 20 billion US dollar in order to be a leader of 5G technology. Huawei, which previously pledged to invest 10 to 20 billion US dollar on R&D, spent 89.7 billion won on it in 2017, accounting for 14.9% of its total revenue. Huawei will allocate between 20 to 30% of that amount to basic science research, up from its previous expectation of 10%. China's largest telecommunications equipment and smartphone maker. Huawei also had beaten Amazon and Alphabet, which was the top two company in the globe to invest on R&D in 2017, according to sources from financial data company FactSet. 80,000 of the Huawei workforce are involved in the R&D, which around 45% of the employees of the communications equipment and smartphone maker company. They had to increase their spending because the United States and two of its allies, that is Australia and Britain, opposed against Huawei's network communications technology on security grounds despite increasing international political tensions. 3.1.5 China Mobile Shanghai and Huawei have joint venture to deploy continuous 5G coverage based on Huawei's next generation 5G Easy Macro products in the EU Garden. Both sides have jointly developed building-specific solutions through site surveys and sufficient communication with the property party for this tourist destination. Huawei's 5G Easy Macro can support concurrent 5G NR and 4G LTE services, multiple bands and high power transmission, and also have high performances from the other products which provide network services. Successful deployment of 5G Easy Macro in the U Garden had indicated its abilities to solve site acquisition in areas without considering the type of the areas like U Garden, which is a traditional base station. 5G download speed of as high as 1.1 GB per second from the field test results showing that 5G Easy Macro can fully satisfy the capacity and coverage requirements of the U Garden and produce tangible improvement in network experience for visitors during peak hours. Identification. In many enterprises must have forecasts about the future so that it can make large investments into R&D for the company to thrive with success in the market. Doing the best that they can to establish correct assumptions and targets for the future, whether or not they are correct, is critical to an enterprise. The future of the 5G technology that promises to revolutionize telecommunications runs through international bodies with esoteric names such as the Third Generation Partnership Product and the International Telecommunication Union. The organization sets standards for the emerging technology, but security officials are concerned China's government and Huawei Technologies Co. are taking a bigger role in the technical groups, lending a competitive edge to a company under indictment in the US.
My name is Ngayek. I will be presenting product life cycles and technology life cycles. So what is product life cycles? Product life cycles is the amount of time that a product goes from being introduced into the market until it's taken off the shelves. And the technology life cycle is focused primarily on the time and cost of the development as it relates to the projected profit. Now, both of these life cycles have 4 stages. We move on to the introduction stage of product life cycles. In this stage, the sales is slow and it requires a lot of marketing activities and promotion. The need is to create awareness, not profit. Next, we go to the growth stage. In this stage, the sales is slowly rising in the market and consumers slowly take notice of the product and profit begins to come in. Moving on, we have the maturity stage. During the maturity stage, where the sales grow at slowing rate and finally stabilize. In this stage, profit is stabilized and promotion is usually not needed as product is already well known. The last stage is the decline stage. In this stage, the product sales drop as consumer may have changed their taste or the product is becoming obsolete. There are 4 phases in technology life cycle. The first one is the research and development phase. In this phase, the innovator and their research and development department take risks to invest in technological innovation. The second phase is the ascent phase. The goal is to see rapid growth and distribution of invention in the market and leverage the competitive advantage of having the newest and most effective product in the market.
Currently, 5G technology of Huawei is here. The third one is the maturity phase. As the new innovation become accepted by general population and competitor enter the market. The last phase is the decline phase, when the utility and potential value to be captured in producing and selling the product begins dipping. This is where the laggards or the late majority reside.
Hi everyone, my name is Risha, daughter of Devaraju. Today I would like to talk about technology management tools. S-curve. The global population circular subscribers growth are increased, where global mobile subscription present a classic S-curve. It will show the circular evolution from 1G to 5G. This is an example of S-curve diagram. Second, value analysis. 5G radio access technology will be a key component of network society. Second, market value. This is an important factor in terms of brand value and business value. Third, 5G is set to create a large number of innovative services requiring an extensive understanding to fully assess the scale of each market segment. Finally, 5G service is term of clear market target as well as its capability.
Hi, I'm Alia Natasha Rosidi. I'm going to talk about conclusion 5G technology of Huawei. Huawei 5G technology, the word G stands for generation and 5 is for fifth. So the meaning of 5G is the fifth generation of mobile broadband technology. Huawei 5G technology designed to increase speed, reduce latency, and improve flexibility of wireless services. 5G market position. A study of 2020 until 2035 will estimate that 5G stream of annual contribution to real global GDP should yield a net value of 2.1 trillion. The first wave 5G market result in revenue growth, and this forecast continue growing over the next 15 years. Gearing up with 5G technology is likely to be factor that determines success in the future digital of society. Other reports also showing about 5G revenue based on 5 global regions like China, Japan, Korea, Europe, and others, as well as the 5G base station deployment unit. The 5G market is expected to be around 700 by 2030, with main contribution coming from mobile service, fixed wireless service, and narrowband LoRa. 5G technology will keep sustained in market position.